Hello viewers, this is Karl Marx Bicycle Shop, and today I'm going to fix a puncture on the bicycle that you're seeing there. It has got slow puncture, so enjoy watching as I do the work. Kuna channel hapo.
Oh, yeah, YouTube.
Sasa hii yako leo. We fix record.
No, yako.
So when you find the puncture, you should scrub the area to make it rough. If you don't scrub, the glue won't stick. You can scrub using the axle blade, or you can use anything that can work. It doesn't have to be an axle blade. Whatever works, you can use. You have to make the surface rough in order for the glue to stick, otherwise it won't stick. So this is the first step, scrubbing, and you have to be very, very patient with it. There is no need to rush. If you want to do a good job, you have to be very patient, like I'm doing right now. When you finish scrubbing, you should apply glue, but don't put too much, just put a little bit, like that. Then you spread it all over the area that you have scrubbed. You spread it like that. Then you allow for it to dry a little bit before you can apply the patch. You let it dry a bit. As you prepare the patch, let it dry a bit. So this is a patch. it's dried enough. Now I have to apply the patch. Then you have to squeeze it until it sticks. So I'm squeezing, and I think that's enough. Now I have to check if we have more punctures. Sometimes you may assume that you only have one, and you may have a lot. So I'm going to check all around to see if I have any more puncture. So in order to do that, I'll use water to check if I have more punctures. So I'll put the tube inside the water, and if I see any bubble coming off the tube, then I will know that's a puncture. That's how to tell if you have puncture. Just use water and you'll know. So in this case, we only had one puncture. So I need to put the tube back inside the tire. So let me remove the pressure before I can install it inside the tire. So you must remove the pressure, all the pressure, before you can apply the tube inside the tire. So I have to check if there is anything sharp on the tire. I think I've found something sharp, like a wire, so I need to remove it. It's a small wire, so if you leave it there, you'll end up getting another puncture immediately. So this is the wire, the small wire. I don't know if you can see it through the camera. Can you see it there? So that's the wire. So I've removed it. So it's safe to install the tube inside the tire. This is not a difficult job to do. Anybody can do this job as long as you are patient with it and as long as you have the tools to do the work. So what you need to do this job, you have to have the glue and you have to have the patches, you have to have something to scrub the tube, and you also have to have the pump. And what else? the hooks to remove the tire from the wheels. That's about it. Then you can just do the job. So that's about it. The puncture is fixed. And I think the owner will be very, very happy with the work that I've done. So thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to the channel to support the channel. I'm out.